everyone. Do you want to earn money through trading in cryptocurrency? Then this video is for you. There are many different principles and strategies that can be used in automated trading, and the most effective approach will depend on a variety of factors, including market conditions, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Here are a few general principles and strategies that are often used in automated trading. Trend following. This strategy involves analyzing the direction of a market trend and making trades that align with that trend. For example, if the market is in an uptrend, a trend-following system might buy when prices rise above a certain threshold, and sell when prices fall below a certain threshold. Potential improvement. One potential improvement to a trend-following system could be to add filters or additional indicators to help confirm the direction of the trend, such as moving averages or momentum indicators. Mean reversion. This strategy involves identifying overbought or oversold conditions in a market and making trades that take advantage of the eventual reversion to the mean. For example, a mean reversion system might buy when prices are below their long-term average, and sell when prices rise above their long-term average. Potential improvement. One potential improvement to a mean reversion system could be to adjust the thresholds for entry and exit to better capture short-term fluctuations in the market. Breakout trading. This strategy involves identifying key levels of support and resistance in a market, and making trades that take advantage of breakouts above or below these levels. For example, a breakout trading system might buy when prices rise above a resistance level, and sell when prices fall below a support level. Potential improvement. One potential improvement to a breakout trading system could be to adjust the criteria for identifying key levels of support and resistance, such as by using a combination of technical indicators or incorporating fundamental analysis. It's important to note that these strategies are just a few examples, and there are many other approaches that can be used in automated trading. The specific improvements that might be suggested will depend on the specific trading system and the goals of the trader. In general, potential improvements might involve tweaking the parameters of the system, incorporating additional technical indicators or fundamental data, or testing and refining the system through backtesting and other analysis.